Beneath the glittering surface of the ocean lies a world of wonder, a place where light fades into silence and life takes on forms beyond imagination. This is the realm of the fish, ancient survivors, living jewels of evolution, shaped by time, pressure, and the endless rhythm of the tides. In today's journey, we will explore some of the ocean's most magnificent fish, species whose beauty tells the story of science, adaptation, and the delicate balance of life under the sea. Among the vibrant coral gardens of the Indo-Pacific, tiny orange and white figures dance between the tentacles of sea anemones. These are clownfish, Amphiprioninae, small social creatures that live in one of nature's most remarkable partnerships. Their skin is coated with a protective mucus that prevents the sting of the anemone's venom. In return, they bring food and clean the anemone's tentacles. Scientists call this relationship mutualistic symbiosis, a perfect balance of benefit between two different species. Over millions of years, natural selection has refined this partnership, transforming predator and prey into allies, guardians of the coral ecosystem. Moving deeper into tropical waters, flashes of blue, gold, and violet glide through the reefs. The majestic angelfish, Pomacanthidae. To marine biologists, angelfish are living canvases of structural coloration. Their scales contain special cells called chromatophores and iridophores, which scatter and reflect light, creating iridescent patterns that shift with every movement. This is not only a display of beauty, it is evolution at work. The brilliant colours act as camouflage among coral shadows and at the same time serve as sexual signals during mating rituals. Each hue, each pattern is the result of countless generations adapting to survive, communicate and reproduce in a world governed by light. But beauty in the ocean can be deceptive. Few creatures demonstrate this better than the lionfish, Pterois. With its long, flowing fins and striking red and white stripes, it appears almost royal until one looks closer. Each of those elegant spines carries a potent neurotoxin, capable of paralyzing a predator within seconds. This vivid coloration is what biologists call aposematism, a visual warning that says, stay away. Ironically, the same traits that protect the lionfish have made it a threat elsewhere. In non-native waters like the Caribbean and Atlantic, its rapid reproduction and lack of natural enemies have turned it into an invasive species, devastating local fish populations. In the story of evolution, beauty often hides danger.
The lionfish drifts ominously. Its perfect adaptation, once a survival triumph, has become a global...
As we move into open waters, shadows the size of small boats glide effortlessly through the blue. These are manta rays, Mobula birostris, the largest of all the ray species, with wingspans reaching up to 7 meters. Despite their immense size, they are filter feeders, consuming microscopic plankton by funneling water through a specialized hydrodynamic filtration system. Yet it is not their feeding that fascinates scientists the most. It is their intelligence. Manta rays possess the largest brain-to-body ratio of any bony fish, and experiments at the Scripps Institution of Oceanography suggest that they can recognize themselves in mirrors, a rare sign of self-awareness. They are gentle giants, ancient, intelligent, and graceful, symbols of harmony in the ocean's vastness. Along the southern coast of Australia, floating among ribbons of seaweed, drifts a creature so strange it seems born of myth. The leafy sea dragon, Phycodurus equis, uses morphological mimicry to become one with its surroundings. The delicate leaf-like extensions along its body are not limbs, but camouflage, an evolutionary masterpiece that makes it almost invisible among the kelp. To marine scientists, this species is a living fossil of adaptation, a lesson in how form and environment evolve together over time.
The leafy
Every
sea
fin,
dragon
every
remains
pattern,
perfectly
every
still,
movement
a living
reflects the
sculpture
ancient
of natural
dialogue between
selection,
survival
proving
and
that
beauty. From the humble clownfish to the majestic manta ray, each of these creatures carries within it the story of evolution, of struggle, cooperation, intelligence, and art. The ocean is not just a habitat, it is a vast library of life, recording millions of years of biological history. But today that library is under threat, from climate change, pollution, and overfishing. Protecting these species is more than an act of science. It is an act of respect for the beauty, intelligence, and mystery that define our blue planet. Because when the ocean thrives, so does life itself.